Have you ever wondered which digital skills can actually help you make money online? The internet has created many opportunities for people to earn from home using simple digital skills. The best part is that you don't need a college degree or years of experience to get started. In this video, I will show you 5 digital skills that can help you make money online in 2026. Make sure you watch until the end, because the last skill is becoming one of the most in-demand skills on the internet. The first digital skill is content writing. Many websites, blogs, and online businesses need written content every day. If you can write articles, blog posts, or product descriptions, you can offer your services online. Tools like ChatGPT can help you generate ideas and write content faster. Many freelancers use AI tools to increase productivity and earn money from writing services. The second digital skill is graphic design. Every business needs visual content for social media, ads, and marketing. You can design logos, social media posts, banners, and YouTube thumbnails. Platforms like Canva make graphic design much easier for beginners. Even if you have no design experience, you can create professional graphics using templates and AI tools. The third digital skill is video editing. Video content is growing rapidly on platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. Many creators hire editors to edit their videos and make them more engaging. You can learn basic editing and offer video editing services to content creators. Tools like CapCut make video editing simple and beginner-friendly. The fourth digital skill is social media management. Many businesses want to grow their presence on social media platforms. They need people who can manage their accounts, schedule posts, and interact with followers. If you understand how social media works, you can offer social media management services to brands and small businesses. The fifth and final digital skill is AI content creation. Artificial intelligence is changing the digital world. Many creators are using AI to create blog posts, videos, images, and marketing content. Learning how to use AI tools effectively can give you a huge advantage in the online world. The demand for AI-related skills is growing rapidly, and many businesses are looking for people who understand these tools. If you start learning these digital skills today, you can open many opportunities to earn money online in the future. If you want to learn more about AI tools, online income ideas, and digital business strategies, make sure to subscribe to this channel. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video.